Hyundai, how to replace dome light bulb. This is a dome light, also called room light, which I show you how to replace a bulb. Plastic cover got the two clips and two holders. This is a side which you use to remove cover. When you look closer, then you will see small gap on side of the switch. This is a gap where you put small flat screwdriver. Important, you cannot remove cover from other side because you can broke a holders. This is a cover with two holders and two clips. Hold bulb with two fingers and pull. New bulb put into the right place and push. Bulb cover install with a holder side first. Make sure there are both holders in holes. Then just push until you hear click.